Hare Krishna. So, we welcome you all to this session where we will discuss all the questions of Krishna book chapter 1 quiz, and we will give a few clarifications on two questions which were given as bonus. So, I have put in my credentials over here. It's very important that you enter your email ID correctly. If you commit a single mistake over here, you will not be able to get your result. So I have filled in my credentials and I press the next button after putting the data. So now I have marked the first question. Purush Sukta is a prayer. Shirodakshai Vishnu is the form of Supreme Personality of Godhead. Tat Priya Artham, to please the Lord. And Ugrasena was the ruler of the Bhoj dynasty. Second, accepting and rejecting is the process of the mind detached with the five objects of sense gratification. Many devotees got confused in this question, but in Krishna book it is written, accepting and rejecting is the process of the mind in contact with the five objects of sense gratification. So therefore, the question actually asked you that accepting and rejecting is the process of the mind detached with the five objects of sense gratification. Therefore, the correct answer is false. All the incarnations within this universe appear from whom? The correct answer is Shiro Dakshai Vishnu. According to Vasudev, a younger sibling should be protected as one's child. When does death occur? So, as per Krishna book chapter 1, the correct answer is when the living entity passes from one body to another and accepts the another one. Which states were occupied by Kamsa? So the correct answer is Yadu, Bhoj and Andhak dynasties. Their states were occupied. Which prayer was recited by demigods and Lord Brahma to offer greetings to Lord Vishnu? And the correct answer is the Purush Shukta prayers, which were the special kind of prayers that demigods use to pray to the Lord. In which form did Lord Vishnu save the planet Earth earlier? So the correct answer is boar. The Varaha incarnation, the boar incarnation. The uncertainty of how a living entity contacts a certain type of body is compared to, the correct answer is a blazing fire coming in contact with a certain type of wood in forest. The other options are not present in Krishna book. So the correct answer is this one. What is the purpose of the appearance of the Supreme Personality of Godhead on planet Earth? So to enjoy material world, that's not mentioned. The correct answer is for annihilating the demons and establishing the devotees. So that is the correct answer. This is a simple question. You have to identify the characters. So we scan row wise. Devaki is character number 3. Vasudev is the character number 2. And Kamsa is character number 1. What has the material nature gifted us? So the correct answer as per Krishna book chapter 1 is body. The body is the gift of the material nature. How Kansa got convinced to not kill his sister? So the correct answer is because he got advice from Vasudev that he should not kill his sister, and if tomorrow in future he will have children, he will bring to Kansa for further jurisdiction. Who was Kansa in his previous life? That the correct answer is Kalnemi. Who is the predominating deity of the planet Earth? That is Bhumi Devi. Who was the father of Kamsa? The correct answer is Ugrasena. What is the cause of fear in this material world? The correct answer is jealousy or envy. So both are synonymous words and we have given full marks to anybody who has answered either of them. But as for Krishna book, the correct word is envy, but we have given marks for jealousy as well. Who made Kamsa aware of his previous life? That is Narad Muni. What was not the purpose of the birth of demigods on planet Earth? So the demigods came to please the Lord, they came to assist the Lord, They came to follow the order of the Supreme Lord, but they didn't come. The question says, was not the purpose. So to enjoy in Switzerland was not their purpose. What did Vasudev receive in his dowry? So this question has been made a bonus question because we made a small mistake in writing the option. We wrote here 18,000 chariots, but in Hindi it was written 1800 Ratha, which is our mistake. So we give bonus marks to everybody, but actually the correct answer is 400 elephants, 15,000 horses, and 1800 chariots. Why was Bharat Maharaj forced to accept body of a deer in his next life? So the correct answer is, as per Krishna book, chapter 1, because of his temporary affection for a deer. And some many participants have marked because he killed a deer in his previous life, but that's not correct. There is no mention that Bharat Maharaj killed a deer in his previous life. So correct answer is because of his temporary affection for the deer. We should carry our duties like Vasudev. What qualities one should have to be consistent in Krishna consciousness? So this question was not in Krishna book. It was put inadvertently. So the correct answer is be enthusiastic, determined, and have patience. But we have given full marks to everybody. Either you have attempted it or you have not. Select true or false about Vasudev. He is the son of Maharaj Shurasen. That is true. He is the son of Maharaj Ugrasen. That is false. An atheistic person cannot be firm in his word of honor. That is perfectly true. Shwetadeep, the place where Lord Kshirodakshayi Vishnu resides, has an ocean of milk. So, like our earth has an ocean of salt water, we see that Shwetadeep has the ocean of milk. Who was the leader of Yadu dynasty? So the correct answer is Shurasen. Two, three participants wrote to us that we should also make this question as a bonus question. But if you have read Krishna book chapter 1, then there is no confusion. There was a slight minor mistake, and we don't feel that it creates any confusion. King Ugrasen was the chief of Bhoj dynasty, and King Shurasen was the king of Yadu dynasty. Bayusen and Dhruvsen have no mention, therefore we consider this question as completely valid. Bhumi Devi was facing calamities because of, the correct answer is demonic kings, because although they were in the guise of disguise of the kings, they were actually demons. Now one problem which was highlighted to us was that suppose I wish to select this option, I wish to select this option of drought, but I'm not able to select it. So what to do, right? If it gets stuck and I'm not able to select the correct answer, and that's the correct answer. Suppose I'm trying to select demoniac kings, but I'm not able to select it. So what to do? Just press the back button. You will go back. Now again press the next button. All your answers will be intact. Nothing will be lost, no data will be lost. But when you reach that question where such a problem is coming, you simply click it here and you will be able to click on the right option. So this, if Google form gives a problem of this kind, simply press the back button, then press the next button. The problem will get resolved. Another thing, after we press the submit button, Google checks, because at one point of time almost 2000 people are participating in this quiz. Google checks that some software or some robot is not doing this. Therefore, it will give us a reCAPTCHA, which is some photographs will appear and you will have to verify that. So at the end of this video, we have added that how to do it. So it might not appear just now, but yeah, it's there. So it's asking me select all the squares with traffic lights. So there is no traffic light here, there is a traffic light here, and there is a traffic light here. And yes, there is a traffic light here. So I click on verify and my answer is submitted. So If you get the screen, this is this submission is successful. If you do not, if you get stuck up in this reCAPTCHA, Google whatever photos it gives, then your submission might not get successful. So if you are not able to do that, please take help of someone in your home or in your family. But once you get this screen, only then you can understand that your submission is successful. So thank you very much for attending this session. We hope that some of your doubts got clarified. Hare Krishna.